Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today gonna show you the unboxing of the new Samsung A80. First, take a look at the box on the other sides. Here you have your email and the model. Let's take a look on the back. Many of gigabyte memory, new infinity display, rotating camera. This is the new option. I have been first even see this option in phone. Super fast charging. We're gonna see how much charger has the ampere. And these are the option of the phone. So let's take a look inside. Here you have your phone, but before it, let's take a look on the paperwork here. Here are the key. This is the manual and warranty card and the paperwork. Come over here. Okay, I'm gonna look you later. Before it, let's check for the accessories. This is the super fast charging charger. It's heavy. And let's take a look on the specs. So strong charger from Samsung. I have a first see so fast charger. This is the USB cable here, and what we have here, the headset, but it's not the AKG headset like in the S series. It's standard Samsung accessories. Okay, that's it. Now let's take a look on the phone. It's already turned it on. I'm gonna turn it off and see how it's gonna be starting. So turn it on here. Here you have the first screen. Let's take a look on all the sides on the phone. Here you have a speaker, microphone. Here are the place for the SIM card from the down. This is the new option. Power button, volume up, volume down. On the up, there is only the microphone here. Phone has a beautiful silver frame. It's heavy. I don't know, this is the plastic, I think, on the back. The LCD is quite good. Very pretty well without the notch. Why the phone hasn't got a notch, you said? I'm gonna show you right now. This is the camera, yep, it's the back camera. Let's take a look on this. Nice. One more time. Very nice. So funny and so happy to see that. It's very well option. So you have the selfie camera instead of the back camera, so the quality of your selfie gonna be incredible. This is the main option of the phone. Other option I'm gonna show you in other video. For now, I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!